Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add logo to your video using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone. Make sure you have installed this application on your mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project by clicking on the video and then click on new, and then you can choose the video you want to add the logo to. For example, I'm just going to select this video. I'm going to add this video to my InShot project, and I'm going to add logo to this video. If we want to add logo, we can click on the sticker. But wait guys, I'm going to change the canvas. All right, and go to the sticker, and then we're going to select sticker again and select the symbol. All right, and then we're going to select cutout sticker, and you can add your logo. I'm going to select Instagram logo, for example. Wait guys, I'm going to go to the pictures folder, and I'm going to add Instagram logo. Okay, and we just need to wait for a moment guys until the background of this logo has been removed by the InShot. Okay, now the background has been removed, and I'm going to click on the check mark. Okay, and I'm going to make it smaller, and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, then click on the check mark. Click on the check mark again, and you can make the logo align with your video by dragging the logo like this. And then this is the final result. As you can see, that the Instagram logo has been added to my video. Okay, if you want to add another logo, you just need to click on sticker again, and then select cutout, and you can choose the logo you want to add to your video. I'm going to try this one as well guys. Okay, all right. And okay guys, that's all the way we can add logo to our video using the InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.